A 2-day training to equip staff of the Cameroon Cooperative Credit Union League CamCCUL with the required skills to better exploit and gain maximum benefit from the GIMAC platform took place in Lewat Hotel Douala from the 7th to the 8th of November 2024. Facilitated by a team from GIMAC, the training also had in attendance a 3-man delegation from the CamCCUL's technical partners CreditScam. Coming up at the time when the network is in need of and ready to embrace digitalization, the 2-day training focused on accounting and communication. These after previous trainings on the technical aspects of the functioning of the platform. Opening the training, the general manager of CamCCUL, Dr. Tiencho Jonas, underscored the importance of digitalization in the network.
Appreciated is this digitalization that we have embarked on. They were very, very happy with the program that we put. And this digitalization, move everywhere they are talking about digitalization. You can sit in your house with your phone. You visualize your account through what we want to put in place. You do transaction directly without moving to the credit union. What do? You avoid paying tax. You avoid taking your card, the cost of moving, traffic, so on. Whether your credit union is lodged in Bamenda, in Bafut, in Manko, in Bambili, in Kumbu, in Kambi, in Gimbe, Boya, Kumba, just to name this few, or Douala, Bafusa, because out of all the network, CamCCUL, I just mentioned before I started, is the largest covered. So we did the study. We had a partner, CreditScam, made of experts in the domain of fintech, technology. So we signed a contract. We signed a contract with GIMAC because the deal is with this domain of digitalization. Even the bank will not pass through GIMAC. So we had several workshops where we were doing study and see, because people make money now. And after the study, we saw that we could make 40% of our income through this digitalization. If we develop it well, and we have credit union to adhere to it, because not each credit union can go and follow the process that CamCCUL has followed. Today, to be validated by GIMAC. GIMAC is this organization that does all this interoperational transaction through this digital process.
The GIMAC platform will not only help in improving members' experience in the CamCCUL network, but will make CamCCUL and her credit unions more accessible, affordable, and efficient. According to the Assistant General Manager of CamCCUL, Mr. Awa Richandoo, this move will also help in reducing the risks of fraud in the network.
The 2 days were very, very interactive. We also had our technical partners, CreditScam, who are here, who were with us, also following up, because we understand that for us to implement the GIMAC system, we need the GAV. And this product of GAV is produced to us by our technical partner, CreditScam, and us working together based on our software, the Alpha, which we have some credit unions operating on a standalone, some credit unions operating in a centralized system, even some of our credit unions not operating on Alpha. They will have a BC. But we want to bring everybody on board. And to bring everybody on board, we want to see now that our system to link up with the GIMAC must pass through another provider like the GAV, which is CreditScam. And with this now, one big advantage we have also learned is that if we are passing through another system, it's also advantageous for us, because if we that link our transaction directly to GIMAC, there's that risk that hackers can always get into our system. So one good advantage is that passing through the GAV gives the opportunity of something along the line, another check along the line, another control measure along the line to avoid hackers from attacking our systems.
Dwelling on the day one of the training, participants were drilled on the accounting processes that have been adopted for the GIMAC platform. This is to ensure that the same procedures are followed by all users of the platform to facilitate reconciliation, reporting, and enhance convenience by enabling members to transact with their accounts from any credit union branch and even from their telephones. The second day of the training focused on communication, and participants were schooled, amongst other things, on mobile banking, a game changer in the world of microfinance, which will allow borrowers to apply for loans, check their account balances, and make repayments, do withdrawals and transfers from the comforts of their homes or offices. The platform will also allow users to send and receive money, both nationally and internationally, pay bills, all from their mobile phones.
Le bénéfice d'une plateforme telle que celle-ci pour CamCCUL, c'est vraiment franchir le pas de la digitalisation et permettre de fournir des services financiers à distance à tout l'ensemble des membres des caisses affiliées à CamCCUL. Le challenge ici, ça sera diminuer les coûts, rendre accessible le service, mais surtout ouvrir le réseau CamCCUL à un nouveau type de services financiers tels que les services de rémittance entrante et sortante, tels que les services de facturé qui n'existent pas encore au niveau de CamCCUL. Nous pensons qu'avec ces différents services, CamCCUL va se démarquer et se placer comme un agrégateur DMF désormais dans toute la zone sémantique.
With the technological wind of change currently blowing across financial institutions in Cameroon and beyond, the Cameroon Cooperative Credit Union League CamCCUL and her affiliates is also fast adapting itself to these technological changes, reason why the GIMAC platform has been adopted in the network by management as an innovation that will bring about digital transformation, which could boost growth, expand opportunities, and improve service delivery. Madame Praxidis Banseka, Head of Education and Training in CamCCUL, had this to say.
It's going to open a lot of doors, give lots of opportunities for our members so that they are able to do their transactions safely from the security of their homes and also be able to interact with other financial institutions within the CEMAC region. So it is something we are really looking for. The message I can only tell the credit unions is that they are lucky to be among the pilots and they should make the best use of this opportunity. The others want to come on board, but the fact that they have taken them, they should make the best out of this opportunity.
This innovation in the network is a welcome relief, which will henceforth automate tasks such as loan processing, risk assessments, thereby minimizing transaction costs and time. It is a tool that is expected to attract the younger, more digitally inclined Android generation to better use the services of the credit unions of the CamCCUL network. Dr. Fombon Raphael is the head of the network department of CamCCUL.
I think this is an evolution of the CamCCUL network. You know, digitalization is something that we cannot remain behind. The world has gone digital, and if we remain behind, that means we'll lose a lot of membership. Young generations are people that they are talking about digitalization everywhere in the world. So the workshop has been a breakthrough, a breakthrough for the CamCCUL network.
With the official launching built in the days ahead, the platform shall be for all the credit unions in the network. The pilot credit unions to test the platform shall be some of the credit unions that are already operating the centralized alpha system.